Hey there everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to take a minute and share a real quick border tutorial with y'all today to help you on your quilting journey. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take a moment and give it a thumbs up, share to your favorite quilting groups, and subscribe to the channel above so that you can be sure to get all the new content as it comes out from Bold Notion Quilting. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson with Bold Notion Quilting. Thanks for quilting with me. Bye!